Okay, this is going to be the last of the videos. I'm going to show you here how that you can upload your video into a discussion. It's a little bit different than attaching a video as an email. So this was the dummy that I did for the last presentation that we just did. It was my screen test for the demo. And what I can do with that is I can open that inside of my YouTube channel, and I can go ahead and bring that up. And of course, if I hit play, it will play the message for me, or it will play the video. And now I'm ready to go. So we all know that that was just a partial of what I had done for the last thing. But what I want to do is I want to share that, and I want to put it into the discussion. So unlike putting it into a email message where you just go up and capture the URL, in this particular case, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to here to the share and do embed. And this is going to give you the HTML code in order to share that video in the discussion. So I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to go over to, and I'm using a course that I was actually a student in this summer. Hopefully I can do this. The last assignment was called Reflections. I'm going to go in there and go to the reply to Mary, it's her class. I'm going to hit reply, and it should open up the dialog box. And here I would, say something about this video. In this particular case, it might be my presentation for X, okay? And what I want to do now is I want to attach that video in this message. It's not as simple as just dragging the URL in. So what you got to go down here is to this little, plus, this little greater than, less than symbol. Click on that, and that will bring up the HTML dialog box, as you can see. Sometimes what you want to do, though, first is put that in before you type anything. So I'm pasting in that thing, and I'm going to post this reply. I'll probably have to go back in and delete it afterwards. But anyway, as you can see, it put in all of the description that came out of that HTML, so that when I click on post reply, the video will become embedded into this message, so that everybody else that's attached to this discussion board will see my video, just as they have posted videos on here. Some of them, not all of them, but some of them have posted videos on here, and I could see those as well. So that's how I'm going to be expecting you guys to use Screencast-O-Matic and YouTube in order to upload presentations into the discussion board. And the reason why I want you to do this is so that everybody else in the class will be able to see your videos and will be able to respond to them, because I'm going to be expecting you guys to communicate back and forth with each other. Part of the discussions each week related to the assignments and the presentations is you're going to be responsible for responding to at least 2 or 3 other students and what they've presented. Make critique, ask questions. They're going to do the same of you. Okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this because I don't want to add something to this, because I believe that this particular Canvas shell may already be closed because we just did our last presentations on the 27th. Anyway, that should explain to you how it is that I want you to embed videos into the reply for the discussions on assignments. As I said, if you wanted to send this to me in an email message, that would be a completely different story. In that particular case, you would be back here. You wouldn't go through this embedding thing. You would go up here and copy the URL, right? And then go to my email and just paste it in there, because email has a different way of attaching videos than the reply in the discussion board. Anyway, hopefully this will help you. If you've got any questions, I hope you will write and ask me. That's it. This is the fourth part in how to do presentations using Screencast-O-Matic and YouTube. Anyway, all for now. I will see you guys in the next video.